cares? Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody.
was Tina Turner was simply the best, and I'll tell you what, she's not a bad mover, is she, for an age? I'll tell you what, Tina, if you're listening to the show tonight, do us a favour, get in touch with me via the Facebook page, and I'll take you on the eye, and I might even buy you half a lager. But make sure you bring your purse with you, because, you know, you'll be buying the next pint. And that's the way it works. I think on that note, I think we'll go to a bit of U2, Where the Streets Have No Name. I'm going to follow that with a bit of Stiff Little Fingers. Why, you might ask? Why? I went to see him not long ago at the Warrington Guildhall, and I'll tell you what, they still had it big time. Irish music at its finest. That's all I'm going to say. Right, so Salford have had a bit of good news this week. Yes, I'm going to tell you about it now. Right, we applied for this loan off the piggy bank fund. If you don't know what a piggy bank fund is, well, it's not a loan. They have like